Today is Cartier unboxing, and this is a new piece. It's been just recently introduced to obviously Cartier market. So if you're interested, please guys, stay with me. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Oksana. Thank you very much for clicking on this video. First and most, I want to say happy Mother's Day for all the mothers in this world. Wish you all the best. I hope that you will be showered with gorgeous gifts, attention and love from your close ones, husband, children, brothers, sisters, neighbors, etc. So happy Mother's Day to all women around the world. And today I want to share with you my Mother's Day's gift. It's a new item from Cartier. It's been introduced just recently. But anyway, let me just unbox everything, and then obviously I'm going to tell you reasoning why I choose this piece. So there we go. So first and most, let me just, it comes obviously with Cartier receipt. My essay also included the travel pouch, the certificate, and I'm going to talk about the certificate furthermore. I was surprised that that was the packaging that my essay gave it to me, but he was also saying that it's his lunchtime, and I truly took my time. I was there for an hour and a half deciding and choosing, but anyway. And so here is the box, and inside the box, ta-da! Inside the box we have a new Panthere bracelet. There you go guys. I just want to make sure that I'm not in the picture and you have a chance to observe this gorgeous piece. So that's how it comes. Like you see, it's totally different packaging for this bracelet. Like for the love, you know, it's right there at the bottom, and you have a screwdriver. For the Justin Clue, once again, there is no screwdriver, but you have some kind of almost like elasticy things that hold in, but that's how it looks like. So let me remove it. So this is a new piece. According to my essay, it's been introduced to the market about 8 months ago, and it's already getting popular. And I've been eyeing this piece for a while, because I'm kind of, you know, conflicted about, you know, for instance, a love bracelet. I'm a little bit conflicted. I think recently I did the video review of my Justin Clue and love bracelet, 1 year review. I'm gonna maybe link it somewhere over here, because I was a little bit conflicted about a love bracelet, but when I saw this baby, I was like, oh my gosh, I'm in love. So this is kind of like absolutely smooth, and this is kind of flexible, so that's how you put it on, but it's very sturdy piece. On the eyes you have a garnet, 2 green garnets. I think they call it Savarite garnet, green garnet, and on a nose you have an onyx. I hope it's focusing, because it's very hard for me to see. So my wrist size is 15.7, close to 16 centimeters, and I got it in a size 17. I tried size 16, but I feel that 17 is a little bit better. And I have my machine over here. I just want to make sure that I'm gonna weight it. So let me just try to see what is the weight of this piece. So, and the weight of this piece is 24.7, close to 25 grams. So let me show you how it goes on, just like that. And that's how it stacks with my Justin Clue. Absolutely gorgeous piece. I remember I saw short vlog of my favorite with Maggie. She tried this one, and I think sorry, it was a shorts. I was watched those shorts like I think hundreds of times, because I absolutely, the moment I saw, I fell in love. And I also like it how she stuck it with her Justin Clue. Her Justin Clue was actually 16, mine is 17, and even they say, and everybody's saying that it's a bit big for me, but anyway, I love it. That's how I love it. So it's 17, Justin Clue 17, and this piece also 17. And if you see, they kind of like, you know, stuck in almost perfectly together. So there you go. So let me see the width of this bracelet. I'm not sure if the website shows information, but you can see right on the head it's about 1 centimeter, and on the thinnest part and on the thinner part it's about 0.5, close to 0.6. I'm most likely gonna also include a short video when I was taking the weight of this bracelet, but as I said, it's close to 25 grams, close to 25 grams. It's absolutely gorgeous piece, and I love it that it's very easy to put on and off. The only one things I would say might be concerning for someone, let's say if you are very concerned about an absolutely perfect alignment. Let me just once again put it on. I so love it, that's so easy to put it on and off. Let me, so I just want to put my glasses on so that I can see. The only one things you might be find concerning, let's say if you're so like everything perfectly aligned, because this is kind of flexible, it might go a little bit off, I would say. So now it's nicely focused, so you can see it might be a little bit microscopic, could go off, but in my case I find it's even like, you know, charming, just giving a little bit of more charm to this piece. And here I hope you can see the eyes are green and the nose is black. I absolutely love it. I absolutely love it, and I really love it how it's stuck with the Justin Clue. And for reference, once again, my Justin Clue, it's a full size bracelet, and that's how they stuck. And they're two exactly identical sizes. So let's say if you're going to choose this one, 17, 17, 16, 16, 15, 15. So I absolutely love it. Once again, just kind of to make sure that it's in focus. Absolutely love it. Gorgeous piece. So let me tell you the reasoning why I decided to go with this bracelet, because as I said, I'm gonna link it somewhere up here. You know, my thoughts on my love bracelet after I use it for almost a year, the thin version of love bracelet. For me personally, I find it's not the perfect bracelet for me personally. And this time when I was at the boutique, I tried love bracelet full size with diamonds, no diamonds, so many different like, you know, times. I tried on my left arm, I tried on my right, and I find that, you know, it's, to me, it's not easy to use. And I could understand that some people saying that, you know, at the beginning it was adjustment, and then they get used to love bracelet and they wear it all the time. It's not me. I'm not that kind of person. I like to remove my jewelry when I come home, because I cannot possibly imagine doing myself, like, you know, some kind of kitchen chores and wearing Cartier bracelet, or doing gardening and wearing Cartier bracelet. So therefore I love something that I can remove it when I get home. That's why is the reason why I choose this one, apart from, like, you know, Panthere, obviously it's the most classiest piece from Cartier, and this is the newer version. I think they were trying to kind of make it more accessible for general public, because this bracelet is $10,000 even Canadian, and I find that you know, for the Panthere it's obviously fairly reasonable price, let's put it this way, and it looks like quite substantial, you know, as a bracelet. There is a weight to it. As I said, it's pretty much like almost 25 grams of gold in this bracelet, and obviously you have onyx, you have garnet as you know, accent pieces on the head of the Panthere. And I mean, it's a new piece. It's definitely not new piece. It's not many pieces of this bracelet is available for the review on internet, and when myself I was trying to, you know, to find any review, it was almost impossible. Obviously I'm gonna do an update at least maybe in 5-6 months to see how I like it, but right away I can tell you, if you have Justin Clue, it stacks perfectly with Justin Clue, and I absolutely love the look. It's very easy to put on and take it off. It's also the finishes, it's kind of like smooth, pretty much the same as on Justin Clue. It's not very flat surface comparing to the Love, because you know, on the Love it's very flat surface, and I feel like that's why all the scratches shown on the Love much more comparing to the Justin Clue. So this is my, you know, piece for Mother's Day. Obviously, if you have any questions, guys, in regards to this bracelet, please do not hesitate, put your questions and I will answer. But as I said, it's fairly new piece to me, and that's about it. That's about it. So when it comes to one thing I want to mention, when it comes to the actual weight of the gold, because let's say Justin Clue is actually heavier, because if you see, like, let me check my Justin Clue. So my Justin Clue is actually 33 grams of gold, but the price is actually less expensive for Justin Clue, you know, comparing to Panthere, because Panthere actually has less gold but more expensive in price. It's almost like, feels like, oh, it's so unfair, but I guess it's for, you know, for the sense of the bracelet itself, because you know, the Panthere it's more significant, I would say, the older style, and also it's, I think about the mechanism that it's built inside of this bracelet, that it's so sturdy, but at the same time it's so easy to put on and off. Okay, I hope I'm making sense over here. So guys, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate, ask questions, and if I know, I will answer. I will do an update in few months to see you know, how it's working out for me in this size, in this style, etc. So that's about it for today, and I will see you on my next one. Bye bye.